kitty ninja was found roaming in an airplane's cabin aisles. We will share this unusual story with you in today's video. Hello and welcome back to Neffy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. Brian is an adorable white and black kitty. He was in a cat backpack aboard a JetBlue flight from Ontario to JFK Airport in New York City. Well, his backpack was a container that's actually approved by the International Air Transport Association. They require that for anybody bringing a cat aboard a plane. He was included in the regular seat portion of the plane, which is very, very good. Well, this little ninja decided that it was time to explore. Like all wise ninjas, Brian waited until his owners were sound asleep. Then he took his little kitty ninja nose and slowly nudged open the opening to his kitty backpack. That little nose slowly unzipped that zipper, and he kept quiet because nobody heard him unzipping his backpack. Well, he had to carefully nudge that backpack open, and finally, once it did, he jumped right out just like a ninja. He hopped out of that backpack and began ninja stealthing through the aisles in the plane cabin. The ninja got away with things for a while, but after a while, people began to notice the roaming ninja going around the cabin aisles of the airplane. Some of them took pictures of the darling, and his attempts to stealth went viral. He had already received 133,000 likes on social media before the plane even landed. People woke up on that night flight to see the kitty ninja strolling down those aisles. The kind airline attendants finally caught that ninja kitty. They finally were able to find the owners, and Brian was safely returned to his kitty backpack. And Neffy is giving cute little winks when he decides he's sleepy. Note to all travelers, keep your eyes on your kitty ninja while you travel, and make sure that their containers are securely fastened so that you won't have a little stealthy ninja. Yes. Well, thank you all so very much for watching our video. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw that notification bell, and you'll be notified so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. And we look forward to seeing you in the next